LG is bringing a true cinematic experience into your home with the world of pure colors, NanoCell technology and real 4K NanoCell display. This is the new NanoCell 73 4K TV. In NanoCell 73 TV, real 4K resolution is complemented with NanoCell technology to take your TV viewing experience to new and thrilling levels with vibrant colors, incredible details and sharper picture quality that is much better than your standard HD TV. LG NanoCell technology utilizes nanoparticles to filter and refine color. It enhances the purity of the red, green and blue wavelengths displayed on the screen, giving you vibrant, pure and accurate colors that stay true even at wide viewing angles.
The intelligent 5th generation Alpha 5 AI processor 4K
further enhances the upscaling capability and beautifully reproduces each pixel with dynamic color, contrast and noise reduction. Home to multiple streaming apps, you can play Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Plus Hotstar, YouTube and many more channels at the push of a button, feasting your eyes with your favorite content. With Apple AirPlay 2 and HomeKit, you can now mirror the content directly from your iPhone, iMac and iPad onto your TV. The Filmmaker mode turns off motion smoothing and brings you an accurate picture by preserving the original ratios, colors and frame rates, showing you what the filmmaker initially intended for you to see. The TV supports a variety of HDR formats including HDR10 Pro and HLG HDR Pro to deliver true picture quality. The NanoCell 73 TV supports the new Game Optimizer, which is the new central for gamers to save their game settings between FPS, RPG and RTS. HDIG for HDR gaming and upgraded support for auto low latency mode, and EARC means more speed, enhanced playing experience, instant gaming and more wins for you. Now you can feel the intensity of a packed stadium right into your home with our Bluetooth surround sound technology. The NanoCell 73 TV is designed with an ultra-large screen, thin bezels and a slim profile to fit perfectly in its surroundings and enhance the beauty of your home. At the core of the TV is the experience of ThinQ AI, an innovative and intelligent design to control your TV and appliances in your home. It runs on voice commands and opens up new possibilities for comfort and luxury. The TV has inbuilt Alexa and Google Assistant that allows you an easy control of all your home IoT ecosystem and your brand new TV. Alexa, play Bollywood music.
Here's Allade Aila from Suryavamshi on Amazon Music.
How's the weather in Delhi today?
Today in Delhi, it will be sunny with a forecast high of 26 and a low of 13.
Picking up these voice commands is the latest version of LG's Magic Remote. The Magic Remote cursor can drag through the content quickly and allows to input texts with greater ease. The remote is very functional with hotkeys to enter Netflix, Disney Plus Hotstar and Prime Video. Available in 108, 139 and 164 cm screen size, the NanoCell 73 4K TV is thin and modern in design, which offers thrilling entertainment with pure colors, NanoCell technology and a real 4K NanoCell display. This is the NanoCell 73 4K TV.